What's up, everybody? So episode 2. Today is a big day. So I kind of spent the last week putting the car back together, and as you can tell right now, we're in the truck and we're driving to the shop that we're dropping it off at. Now, the tow truck driver, the flatbed, showed up a little early. I was going to take the video and show you what all has been done to it fairly quickly, but he showed up a little too early while I was getting dressed and stuff, so I didn't get a chance to do that. But we're going to get that done when we get over to the shop. So I'll just go ahead and tell you what we've done so far. So we got the SSS Motorsports oil relocation kit with the AN fittings done. You had to make your own lines and stuff like that. It wasn't exactly hard to do. I maybe wasted about a foot of line, just kind of like figuring out how to make the cuts and keep the cloth, the outside cloth, and the inside braids from fraying whenever you put the fitting over the top of that. So yeah, we got that set up. I got the oil filter relocation. It's over by the frame, under the front bumper, in front of the wheel, and then when the wheel guards go in, you won't even, all you'll be able to see is from underneath the car. It's in a much better spot for anybody to work on to begin with. And then we got the oil cooler. It's inside the front bumper where the two air ducts are at that went to nothing. So I just took that and repurposed that for the oil filter relocation. I started to make a video on the Hicus delete system from GK Tech. Things they don't tell you, that the 33 where the wheels connect to the old Hicus system, there's a bushing in there, and that bushing does not fit the bolts for the GK Tech Hicus delete kit. In fact, the Hicus delete kit comes with its own bushings, and I don't have a press to push the old ones out. I did not think that there was going to be bushings there, but yeah, there were, and it sucked. So I did a lot of prep work and a lot of other bullshit for something that I just ended up, nothing happened with that. The next thing that I did is I got the inside completely redone. I fixed that crack on the front dash plate area. I got that fixed. I got the radio back in there. I got the AC control back in where it was supposed to be at. I got the seats bolted down. I got the back seats bolted back down. Cleaned all that stuff up, and it looks a hell of a lot better in there now that there's not just a million pieces laid everywhere. Alright, we got the car at the shop. It's going to get looked at, and then we'll get it fixed and get it running. So let's go over, like I said we were going to do. Let's get the Z-LED lights installed. And then on the inside, we got the inside completely redone. The seats are done. Shift knobs, all that stuff's been put back in. And then see that right there? That is where and then you can see right here as well. That. And then that runs underneath, and then through, and then out over here. And you can probably see it right about there. That's where that's done at. So, yeah. They got some nice they got some pretty nice cars here. This got another 33, like a red 33 right there. That's a GTST. This nice little 280Z, R32, some 240s. This is like Nissan JDM heaven. Yeah. $370s, $350s. More Nissans, 300ZXs, 240SXs, more 32s, 300ZX, 350. Got the Titans, because we gotta make sure that we're Nissan up in here. So yeah, we'll see. There she is, last time. I'm gonna see her for a couple weeks. Hi baby, I'll see you soon. Love you. Alright, yep, that's gonna be the last time I'm gonna see her for a couple weeks. They're gonna call me up with some, they're gonna look it over, call me up, probably charge me some ridiculous price to get some of the things fixed. But I gotta get it fixed. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of episode 2. This is going to be, I said this was going to be a 2-parter, but now I'm going to push it up to a 3-parter, maybe a 4-parter, depending on where we get at with the car at SCR, and we'll see what's going on. All right, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching and staying with me through this project. I appreciate it. Keep the comments rolling in, even the really dumb ones. They're funny. I would appreciate it if you subscribed and then you hit the like button. I have a giveaway that's running right now for a free set of Mishimoto lug nuts. I put the link in the last video. I accidentally edited it out and I completely forgot about it. But I'm running the giveaway for another 2 or 3 weeks or something like that. Yes, I'm running for another 2 or 3 weeks. So just go ahead and enter in for those lug nuts. They're M25 by 1.25. They're neochrome Mishimoto lug nuts. Yeah, and then you guys can get some free merch that way. Also, I have the link to my Patreon below in the description if anybody wants to do some donations to help out. That greatly helps me. So if you can do a little donation, that's fine. I'd appreciate it. If you can't, don't worry about it. Again, I will find the money to get this where it needs to be, no matter what. But yeah, so anyways, thanks again for watching. I will see you guys next time. Peace.